Riverview Primary School proudly presents to you the story about Mollen, Nim and Sail, created by Ho Bing Hui, Gaius Ting, Ko Huai Zhi, Seth Chia and Clarice Ong. Illustrated by Seth Chia and Clarice Ong. This is how the story goes. "Where is Nim?" Mollen asked nonchalantly. "We have agreed to meet here," Sail replied. "Let's go and look for Nim," Mollen invited Sail. They split up and agreed to meet at their usual meeting place, the seabed, after the search. Mollen quivered with excitement and began swimming in various forms of acrobatics while looking for Nim. He bewildered. Where could Nim go to? Mollen kept his eyes peeled and swam around. A blink of yellow and black caught Mollen's eyes. He swam over and looked carefully. It was part of a clownfish tail. It definitely looked familiar because of its star-shaped birthmark on it. It was a part of Nim's. Mollen's jaw locked with disbelief. With a heavy heart, he lifted up the tail with immense care and embraced it tightly to his chest. Mollen swam back to the seabed and saw Sail awaiting. Tears welled up to Sail's eyes and they began rolling down his cheeks like rivulets. He swam painstakingly towards Mollen. This was the tail which used to whack at him during playtime. It was the tail of his childhood friends, Nim's. Gentle as a dove, Sail swam up and hugged the tail with sorrow. The journey back to their clan of clownfish had never been so distressing. Mollen and Sail carried the tail to their clan. It was a devastating moment to break the tragic news to the clan, particularly Nim's family. It was like their hearts had been ripped from their bodies. The clan head, Papa Mo, announced and gathered all for a clan mourn to grieve the lost. A clan wake was arranged for Nim's family, relatives, and friends to pay their last respect. A former clan burial was scheduled 3 days later. On the day of the former clan burial, the atmosphere was heavy with grief and it felt like the whole world had collapsed. It was heart-wrenching, watching Nim's parents falling to their knees, clutching their heads in vast despair. Papa Mo was invited to deliver an eulogy. In his eulogy, he thanked Nim for the joy he had brought to the clan. He expressed his anguish and predicted that Nim could likely be attacked by their predator, the shark. After Papa Mo's eulogy, all clownfish bid their final goodbye. Nim's tail was graced with prayers and lowered into the seabed. At their usual meeting place, Mollen and Sail met listlessly. "We seem to have lesser coral reefs on the seabed," Mollen exclaimed after noticing the reducing number of coral reefs on the seabed. "Oh yes, with lesser coral reefs, we will have fewer homes as our habitat," Sail replied anxiously. "You realize it too?" Papa Mo appeared from behind. Mollen and Sail were delightfully startled by their respectable Papa Mo's sudden appear. You're behind us, shrieked both clownfish.
I happened to be on the way when I overheard both of you,
replied Papa Mole. Papa Mole, why are there fewer coral reefs lately? There used to be a lot in our seabed, Mollen asked as a matter of fact.
Lesser coral reefs not only affect us but the sea anemones too. As you know, we, the clownfish, have a unique interdependent relationship with the sea anemones. In another word, the sea anemones are our saviors as we rely on them for protection and shelter against our predators, the sharks, Papa Mole replied. Both clownfish listened attentively. The human-caused climate change is the main reason behind the lessening of the coral reefs. This climate change often results in higher carbon dioxide and higher temperature on Earth and in the ocean. Warmer ocean will eventually lead to the survival of coral reefs being threatened. Many coral reefs died as a result. The worst impact of the dying coral reefs will affect us and the sea anemones as coral reefs provide homes for us as our habitat, sighed Papa Mole as he continued to explain to the two young clownfish. That is really worrying, Mollen remarked as Sail nodded his head to agree with Mollen. To add to the woe, the movie Finding Nemo has led to selfish humans catching and keeping us as pets as they find us irresistibly cute. That is absolutely absurd, as we belong strictly to the ocean, and we will never be able to survive with the fresh water in the domesticated fish tank when kept as pets. Papa Mole shook his head as he added on. Gosh, we may be caught one day too, exclaimed worried Mollen and Sail. Though the blue tang is not an endangered species like us, I hope the movie Finding Dory will not result in the blue tang being domesticated because of their blue cuteness, Papa Mole reminded.
Shall we send a petition to the humans educating them how their selfish acts have endangered the clownfish, killed the coral reefs, destroyed the sea anemones' habitat and the entire marine ecosystem? Mollen snapped with fury. Yes, we should. I support. Sail joined in to echo Mollen's suggestion.
Join us for our clan meeting every Thursday night. We will share the plan to educate the humans.
Yes, sir. See you tonight, saluted Mollen and Sail. The end. We hope you have enjoyed our story. Thank you for listening to us.